Hey, our mateys, you know, you look around the marina, you walk any marina, you're going to see plenty of examples of chafed lines, lines that are too tight or too loose, and when the winds pick up and the gusts start hitting, you're putting a lot of weight and a lot of pressure on your dock lines. Well, Chafe Guards and line snubbers can take a lot of pressure off of your lines and save those expensive lines too. Now these I got from Davis Instruments, sent me these to review and use, keep you updated on how they hold up. So I was really surprised at how many boating items Davis Instrument has.
Well, you go to their website, click on Marine, scroll down just a little bit, and you'll see sail or power. Now, I did sail. I recommend looking at both of them, and you'll see a lot of great products.
Well, let's do the Chafe Guards first, and then we'll do the line snubber. I mean, I think this is pretty self-explanatory, how to put them on, how to use them. It's a hook, and it's not really Velcro. But I think, and I've looked at some of these in the past, you see the ones that are made out of leather and you have to sew them together? Well, once you get them sewn together, I think it's going to be hard to move them up and down or to move them to other lines. With this, you just get it wrapped nice and tight, and then you can move it around. If you need to, you can just loosen it up and move it. Let's take a look at this on the boat. So I'm going to put these on the stern line so that this does not happen to my lines again. And you can mark it with a piece of tape, but I'm just using this clamp right now. So to hook this on, you just lay the Chafe Guard out, set the line close to the edge, and roll it. Now my lines are protected. So as you can see, Chafe Guards are pretty self-explanatory. And really the line snubbers are also, but let's take a look at these. And they come in several different sizes depending on your boat. Now this is a 20-inch, and on the inside here it gives you some ideas as to how to use it. There's a couple of ways to attach this to the line. One is with a clove hitch, which is really pretty easy to do. I'll show you that in a minute. The other one is Davis has a line grabber that you can put on the line and help move it back and forth. But let's go ahead and put this on. I'm going to put it on my bow line because that, with the winds, kind of gets swung around and knocked around. So I want to try it on there first. Let's go install this. All right, so you're going to need a little bit of practice on this. I did anyway, but I'm going to turn around here. So we're going to take one loop and have it in front. We're going to take our other loop and have it in back. Then all you do is bring the two loops together, and you see how I have this coming down through here now? And there's a good example of it in the brochure. Now I take my line snubber, clip that in, and now I can tighten that up. There you go. Now if I need to adjust it, I can loosen this one and pull and tighten it, and that's how I'm going to adjust what I need. So on this one, this is a shorter one, the 20-inch, you're going to want somewhere around this kind, the other way around here. You're going to want the rope or your line to hang down below this that's probably about 8 inches. That way when this stretches, you don't have that yank on it. This gives you a nice smooth pull out. Well, let's hook it up, see how it works, guys. Well, I've got my snubber hooked up now. You can see the loop I have in it. That might be a little bit too big. I'm not sure yet till we test it. But with this on, the bow of the boat is staying where I like it so we can get on and off easier. Now, just for the heck of it, I'm going to give the boat a push. Let me get my boat hook here. And let's see what happens, guys. There, you see that stretch a little bit and then it comes back. Well, there you have it, guys. Now my lines are more protected, a little bit more secure. Well, until next time, happy and safe boating to you, your family, and friends.